In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an attractive UI thumbnail on Figma. Start by opening your design. With your file in view, press the F key to activate the frame tool. Then add a new frame sized exactly 1920 by 1080. That 16:9 aspect ratio is the standard for file thumbnails, and using it prevents awkward cropping when you are scanning your projects. If you prefer typing values, you can enter the width and height in the frame settings to make sure it's precise. Now, let's design the layout inside that frame. Begin with the background. Choose a color that aligns with your brand or a subtle pattern that adds depth without stealing attention. If a photo suits your project, you can upload a high-quality background image. Keep it clean and avoid busy textures. The goal is clarity at a glance. Strong contrast behind your text will make the thumbnail readable even at small sizes. Next, add your title and a short subheading. Pick bold, highly readable fonts so they hold up in the file browser. A large, clear title like Mobile App UI works well, and following it with a brief status label or version number helps you identify the file quickly later on. Keep the wording tight and the hierarchy obvious, with the title drawing attention first and the status staying supportive. Place this text where it won't clash with your preview image, usually toward the left or upper left for a quick left to right read. To the right side of the frame, add a scaled-down visual preview of your UI. This can be a mock-up, a component, or a key screen from your project. Size it so it's easy to recognize without crowding the text, and give it a bit of breathing room from the edges. The preview should hint at what's inside the file while keeping the title as the primary focus. Once your design looks the way you want, right-click directly on the frame in your canvas and choose Set as Thumbnail. You'll see a custom thumbnail icon appear next to the frame name in the Layers panel, confirming it's active. If you don't see that icon, make sure you selected the frame itself rather than an object inside it. That's it. Thanks for watching.